Open the box, remove the remote and power cord. Remove the unit from the box. Open the arm from the box. Adjust the arm as shown. Insert the arm to the unit as shown. Adjust the arm accordingly. Install the clear cone to the white fitting and insert to the arm. Plug the unit to the 110V power. Turn on the power switch and UVC light switch. Turn on the unit using the on-off button on the digital panel. Adjust the speed and with the flow plus or minus button and set the timer as shown if necessary. Lock the wheels to keep the unit in place. To change the filter, turn off the unit and UVC light switch. Open the back cover by pressing the latch. Wearing a mask and gloves recommended. Remove each filter as shown. When replacing, make sure to mark the date on each filter. We recommend to replace the primary washable filter once a month if you are using amalgam. We recommend replacing the UVC bulb as shown every 2 years or 10,000 hours. Maintenance and cleaning. Clean the clear cone after every patient by spray or wipe with antibacterial solution or cavi wipes. To clean inside the arm, you may spray bleach or any antibacterial solution into the suction cone while the unit is running. We recommend you do this every month before changing the first layer filter, and then replace the first layer filter. For deep cleaning, you may disassemble the arm and clean. You may clean the inside of the filter chamber by spraying any antibacterial or alcohol-based cleaning solution. For technical support, please contact the dealer.